guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here today, and if you're watching this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ramandeep. I post beauty, makeup and lifestyle related videos here on my YouTube channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell which is right next to it, so you will be notified every single time I upload a new video and you won't miss it out.
What a wonderful
I am so excited to film today's video because look what I have here with me, new eyeshadow palettes from Kay Beauty. I was so surprised when I received these palettes because oh my god, like Kay Beauty, Katrina Kaif's brand sent me makeup. I was so shocked. But yeah, I've been dying to film a review video because I've had these palettes for a while now, so I was experimenting, playing around with them, creating looks. So I have a detailed review video for you guys today. So they've come out with 4 new eyeshadow palettes and I have 2 palettes here with me. The first one is Pure Bloom and the second one is Bare Soul. So I will be sharing all the swatches and I will also be creating 2 looks using these palettes. First things first, let's talk about the packaging. I mean, I love the colors here. They look so beautiful and I love the artwork as well. And the same artwork is present on the unique carton as well. So I really like the packaging. I found it unique. So these palettes have a cardboard packaging, making it travel friendly. If you're traveling or if you're a working makeup artist, you can easily carry them around because they also have a mirror inside. You get 9 eyeshadows in each palette with a mixture of mattes and shimmers. Alright, so now let's dive into the swatches. For my first look, I will be using the Pure Bloom palette which has peachy floral hues. I'm going to start with the shade Biscuit. They've mentioned that these eyeshadows contain macadamia nut oil and aloe vera oil, so they're not going to be dry on your eyes at all. Right now, I'm still blending out the shade Biscuit because I'm going for a coral summery vibe here. I don't want anything extra or anything too dramatic. I'm just going for a very easy wearable summer glam. Now I'm going to apply the shade Coral all over my lid. So I have turned into an all matte eye kind of person, but just for today's look I will be popping a shimmer on my lid as well, so don't worry, you will get to see how the shimmers perform as well. Now when you look at it, this itself is an eye look and I would totally wear something as simple as this because that's what I've been living for these days. I'm going back in with the first shade Biscuit just to blend it all out. So I repeated the same steps off camera on my other eye. Honestly, I love the mattes from these palettes. They are so easy to work with. They are blendable, they are soft and buttery. Not a lot of fallout. I really like the quality of these eyeshadow palettes. And now I'm going to apply the shade Salmon in the center of my lid. Now when you're using shimmers, metallics and glitter shadows, you can use your fingers for application. When you apply these shades with your fingers, they pop up even more. But it's completely up to you. You can use your brushes as well. I'm just going to apply it in the center of my lid. Wow, I love how it looks. And now I'm just gonna blend it out with the same coral shade that I applied on my lid. And there you have it. This is exactly what I was going for. Repeating the same thing on my lower lash line. Now as you can see, I'm applying the same coral shade in the outer corner. I'm leaving the center blank and then I'm applying it in the inner corner. By the way, I'm also wearing the shade Coral on my cheeks today as blush. So this is kind of like a monochromatic moment here. And now I'm applying Salmon in the middle. And now I'm just gonna smoke it out with the shade Biscuit. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. This is exactly what I was going for. I wanted something fun, vibrant, something corally which gives me summer vibes, and Pure Bloom is the perfect palette for that. Honestly, I do see myself using Pure Bloom a lot during the summer season because of all the peachy and vibrant corally shades that it has. This is something that I would totally recommend to people who are into coral, vibrant, peachy shades. I will be sharing my final thoughts after creating the second look, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Alright, so for my second look, I'm going to be using the Bare Soul palette, which has nude and smoky shades. First, I'm going to apply the shade Toast all over my eyes. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush because I want to apply the shade all over my eyes. And just deepening it up with the shade Toast again. I'm gonna smoke it out as much as possible because this is a very glam IG baddie kind of look. Now of course, when it comes to pros and cons, I do have a list of cons as well, which I'll be talking about in a minute. I'm going to repeat the same thing on my other eye off camera and be right back. Now I'm going to be using this black shade called Charcoal on my eyes. Now I do have an issue with this shade. It does have a lot of kickback and it will give you a lot of fallout under your eyes because I feel it's very softly pressed. But when it comes to pigmentation and color payoff, I think this is one of the best black eyeshadows that I've used. So what you can do is try to build it up slowly instead of going in heavily right off the bat, because then you'll have a lot of fallout under your eyes and you don't want that. So if you're like me and you like doing base makeup first, it will completely ruin your base makeup. So just keep in mind that when you're using this black eyeshadow from this palette, build it up slowly, just don't go heavily right off the bat. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to start placing it here and bringing it up. So I'm trying this style for the very first time. I will be leaving a gap in the middle and then I'm going to apply the same black eyeshadow in the outer part. And now I'm going to be applying this beautiful golden shade called Champagne in the center. This is so beautiful, you guys. I love this shade so much. This is so pigmented. I love it. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit so that it all looks blended out. Wow, you guys, I'm so impressed with the shimmers, metallics as well. Now I'm gonna blend out the black eyeshadow with this shade. This is a very editorial kind of vibe. Repeating the same steps on my lower lash line. Starting with the black eyeshadow first, then going in with the golden eyeshadow. You can even bring it down a little. Alright you guys, so I added some eyeliner and I added the golden shade in the inner corner as well, and I dragged it up a little bit. So this is how it turned out. Obviously it's not something that you would wear every single day, but hey, you know what, if you want to wear this for your grocery shopping, so do you. My entire plan for this video was creating one very simple, wearable, everyday kind of look, and the next look would be very editorial, IG glam kind of moment. I'm gonna complete my other eye off camera and I'll be right back to share my final thoughts. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really like how it turned out. I love the golden from this eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful, it's so vibrant, and it just pops on your eyes like this beautiful metallic eyeshadow. It's a beautiful foiled eyeshadow, I would say, and the color payoff of the black eyeshadow is really impressive. I liked all the shades from their Bare Soul palette, and honestly this palette is totally my vibe. This is something that I would personally use all the time. I want to create a brown smoky eye using this palette, so I think I'll be doing that on my IG. I'll be creating many more looks in fact using these palettes. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. So final thoughts. Let's talk about the formula first. I personally think all the shades are really soft and buttery and they're easy to work with. They blend easily. I think I've used the word buttery so many times in this video, but yeah, they're really impressive eyeshadows and I like the color scheme as well. My only issue is with the black eyeshadow from the Bare Soul palette. As I mentioned earlier, it does give you a little bit of fallout. Talking about the shimmers and the foil eyeshadows, I was impressed. Again, I really like how vibrant they are and they're not dull at all. All the shades are easily blendable. I didn't have any difficulties blending any of those shades. I love seeing good quality eyeshadow palettes coming from Indian brands. Talking about the price, they retail for 1199 each, so you're getting 9 eyeshadows for like 1200 bucks, which is a fair deal I would say, since the quality is so good and I'm really impressed by the quality. Alright you guys, so that wraps up my review video. If you liked it and if you found it helpful, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also share it with your friends, your fellow makeup lovers. I will be sharing the links to these palettes in my description bar below, so do check it out. Please don't leave without subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified every single time I upload a new video and you won't miss it out. All my social media handles will be mentioned in the description bar below as well. So follow me there, stay connected, stay safe you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.